Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of a car that feels like it was built by aliens and blessed by the devil himself, buckle up, because today we're talking about the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom, and trust me, this thing is absolutely insane. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Revuelto Phantom stops you cold. Lamborghini has pushed the Y-shaped LED lighting even further this year, giving the front a sharp, almost predatory stare. The Phantom Edition gets an exclusive matte black and deep violet two-tone finish that shifts color depending on the light. It literally looks different every single time you walk past it. New forged carbon fiber aero elements on the hood, side skirts, and rear diffuser aren't just for show, they actively manage downforce at high speed. Those massive 21-inch rear wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 Casa tires complete a stance so aggressive it looks parked even when it's doing 200 miles per hour. Step inside and your jaw will hit the floor. The interior is a full carbon fiber cockpit wrapped in Alcantara in a stunning dark violet contrast stitching. The hexagonal patterns continue from the dash all the way to the door panels. The 8.4-inch central touchscreen runs Lamborghini's latest LDVI infotainment system, while a 12.3-inch digital driver display puts everything you need right in your line of sight. Ambient lighting, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and a premium sound system are all standard. Every single switch, dial, and surface feels like it belongs in a fighter jet. Now let's talk about what really matters, the performance. Under that dramatic hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined 1,001 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 2.5 seconds, and the top speed sits at 217 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive torque vectoring system is next level. It reads the road faster than your brain can process it. Switch between Città, Sport, Casa, and the new Phantom Drive mode, which sharpens everything to a razor's edge. On the tech and safety side, Lamborghini has loaded the Revuelto Phantom with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and blind spot monitoring. Yes, even in a supercar this wild, they kept the practical stuff in. Now the price. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom starts at approximately $650,000 USD. Compare that to the Ferrari SF90 Stradale at around $520,000 or the McLaren Solus GT, and the Revuelto Phantom justifies every single dollar with its exclusivity, hybrid power, and that unmistakable Lamborghini theater. My personal take, this car made me feel things I genuinely cannot explain. It's not just transportation, it's a full sensory experience. The sound alone could make you emotional. If you loved this video, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me your dream Lamborghini color, and subscribe so you never miss a review. See you in the next one.